Hi friends, this video shows how to set bedtime for kids profile and lock the profile or TV when that time reaches. Right now I am inside the kids profile kid 1. Let me go to settings. Select settings icon from top left corner. Then enter Google PIN. Because this profile is locked, let me unlock. Then here you are seeing kids profile settings. Here select screen time, then select bedtime. Here you can select days. Let me select Monday to Friday. Select next. Then you can select bedtime begins at 10 a.m. Bedtime ends at 8 a.m. Then here you can see that schedule Monday to Friday 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. That is the bedtime. So the TV will automatically lock the profile when this time reaches. So this way we can set bedtime for kids profile. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.